have in the plants, how they work, what are functions they do, that are things we studied. Okay, we'll start with the next content. Before we start with the short prayer, children. Okay, all of you close your eyes. Asatoma Satgamaya, Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya, Mrityoma Amritam Gamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. We are praying to the Lord for our wellness, for our academics. Okay, children, we'll start with our academics now. Okay, in this chapter we studied about what? About roots we studied. How roots work. Yes, how root works. In root we have two types, that are tap roots. Tap root, yes, and the one more is fibrous root. Fibrous roots. We have two types of roots. Yes, we studied about these two. And after that we studied about functions. Functions of roots. Functions of roots we studied. Yes. And after doing this all, first one we studied about roots and the second one we studied about stems. Okay, we studied about stem. And after stem, we studied about functions of a stem. How they work. Okay, I'm just telling you what all we studied in the previous class. Okay, children, what all we studied in the previous class. Functions we studied. Yes. Till this we studied. Okay, we'll revise it once from starting. Okay, today just I will revise it. After that we'll move on to our content now. Okay, in the roots we have two types of our root systems. Okay, root andre ena? Root andre it is the grip where it absorbs the water, air from the soil. Yes, ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಂದ್ರಕ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. ಎಸ್, the roots are helpful. Okay, in roots we have two types of roots, that is tap roots and the fibrous roots. Tap roots ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಂದ್ರ it have a smaller roots. Okay, this is like structure is there. Yes, this is like structure is there, and inside we have sub roots, that is called as the tap roots. Fibrous roots means it is the root. ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಸೇಮ್ we have roots. In that ಇನ್ನೊಂದು root at the end of the root grows. This is called as a fibrous roots. For example, fibrous root ಗೆ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಸ್, wheat, onion ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಸಣ್ಣ ತುದಿಗೆ ಬೆಳಿತಾವ. one root in ತುದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು root start growing. That is the difference between the tap roots and the fibrous roots. Now we'll move on to the functions of roots. Roots edike help ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ to fix the plant firmly on the soil, to the soil. Yes, and roots helps to absorb water. And extra food, what all things the plant prepares, that all food, extra food stored in where? Root section. Okay, this is the work of the roots. We'll move on to the stem now. In the stem section, what all things are there? It holds the plant straightly. Nam henga, for example, human beings have a backbone. Backbone help us to stand straight. Like that, the roots, the stem help to the plant to stand stiffly. Okay, stiffly. And iದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, in a stem ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, it have a branches, it have leaves, it have a buds, it have flowers, fruit. ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಎದ್ರ ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾವ, stem ನಿಂತಿರ್ತಾವ. The support of the stem. And ಇನ್ನೊಂದೇನ ಇದು functions. We'll see the functions. The stem carries the water and useful substance from the root. ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ stem ಅಂದ್ರೆ root ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತೆ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ stem. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ತನ್ನ ಫುಡ್ it carries the food prepared by the leaves to the different. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಲೀಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದ ಫುಡ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಯ್ತೈತದ, ಹೋಲ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಹೋಯ್ತೈತ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಒಳಗ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾವ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಶುಗರ್ ಕೇನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೋಸ್. ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಾವ, ಫುಡ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಫುಡ್ ಅಂತವ ಫುಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ತಿಂತೀವಿ. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೋದು ಎಂತವ ನಾವು ತಿಂತೇವೆ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ವೆಜಿಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ we eat. That is potatoes we eat, sugar cane we eat, turnip we eat, beetroots we eat, carrots we eat. Yes, we have so many vegetables, so many fruits. Yes. Okay. Now after studying these all things, just to be revised it today, we'll move on to our now real content, that is leaf. We'll study about leaf today. How the leaf work, what all functions are there in the leaf, what all works it does. Okay, we'll study about it. Leaf. The leaf is the food factory or a kitchen of the plant. Page number 155, children. All of you open page number 155. The leaf is the food factory or the kitchen of the plant. It makes food for the plants with the help of water, air and the chlorophyll. Chlorophyll ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ? The substance gives the color to the leaf. Green color ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಲ್ಲ ಅದಕ್ಕ chlorophyll help ಆಕೈತಿ. And this process is called as what? The chlorophyll in color ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತಾರ? Photosynthesis. Okay, in the last class we studied. And this food is used for growth of the plant. Yes, the leaf is the food factory. It is the food factory of the plants. The leaf is the food factory of the plant. It is the food factory of the plants. What all food andre athava, or else it is a kitchen. It is a kitchen. Okay, it is a kitchen of the plant. What all food we prepare, what all food, everything will be stored in the leaf. That all prepared in the leaf section. Okay, what all food plant, what all food he needs na, that plant needs na, that all will be prepared in the leaf. That all will be prepared in the leaf section. Leaf want water, leaf want air, leaf want chlorophyll. Yes, chlorophyll, it wants everything. Okay, it wants everything to prepare food. Okay, we'll move on to the next one, parts of the leaf. Parts of the leaf. After studying about the leaf, we'll move on to the parts. The real story of the chapter, that is the parts of the leaf. Okay, the first one, the plant, the flat and the board part of the leaf is called the lamina. In the previous class we studied about, yes, in the previous class we studied about in the plants what all things we have. Plants leaf ಒಳಗೆ ಬಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. You have an extra chapter on this in the next year. Okay, you have an extra chapter on leaf only. Just I will tell you the short of this leaf. Leaf ಒಳಗೆ ಏನಿರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಒಂದು ಫ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ ಮ್ಯಾಲ. Leaf, have you seen this? Okay, can you see this? Okay, it is a flat area. Okay, a flat thing of the part. This part is called as a lamina. This part is called as a lamina. There is a network of fine tubes that run throughout the lamina. Your network lines. These are the network lines. This help to prepare the food. Elladukku connection irutade. Line, thin lines. Okay, it will help to prepare the food and transfer from one end to the other end. These are called as a veins. Okay, you kenantara you lines kenantara veins. Ee lines sanna lines niಮಗೆ ಕಾಣಕತ್ತವ, that is called as a veins. There is a one main vein that runs toward the middle of the leaf. Either the middle we have a thick line, this is called as a main vein. These all called as a sub veins. This is the main vein, that is the main grip to the leaf. There is a one main vein that runs toward the middle of the leaf. This is the midrib anu antara, main vein antara. The name of this is midrib, rib or a main vein. Vein carries water to the leaf. Iದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, water ತಗೋತೈತಿ. The stem ಒಳಗೆ ಇದ್ದ water ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತಿ, absorb ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. There also carries food prepared by the leaves. ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ food prepare ಮಾಡಿದನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊತೈತಿ. ತನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ತನ್ನ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು ಏನಾಕೈತಿ, it goes to the stem to the root. Pass on ಆಗಕ help ಮಾಡ್ತೈತಿ. The leaf is small, have a small holes on its surface. These are called as stomata. ಇದರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ತಾವ, leaf ಒಳಗ ಸಣ್ಣ pores ಇರ್ತಾವ. ಸಣ್ಣ ಡಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನು pores ಇರ್ತಾವ, ತೂತ್ ಇರ್ತಾವ. That is called as a stomata. Air enters and leaves through the stomata. ಇದು ಅವು ರಂಧ್ರಗಳು ಇರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ, ಅವು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವಂದ್ರ ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಇರುವಂತ ಏರಿನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ. ಎನ್ವೈರನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನೇನ್ ಏರ್ ಐತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೈತಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ goes back. That pores, that stomata helps to absorb the air and leaves the air. Okay. Next, turn the page number 156, children. All of you open page number 156. Flowers, fruits and the seeds. Now after studying about the leaf, we'll move on to the flowers, fruits and seeds. ಹೂವು, ಹಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತು ಬೀಜ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Most flowers grow into the fruits. Most fruits have a seeds in them. Some fruits have a one seed, whereas some have a more than one seeds. Fruits protect the seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. The seeds have a baby plants in them. When a seed gets through air, water or sunlight, the baby plant in the start to grow and form a new plant. ಏನಿರ್ತೈತಿ ಫ್ಲವರ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ, ಫ್ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ ಮತ್ತು ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗ. Some fruits are there, they give a one seed. Some are there, they give more seeds. Okay? ಆ ಸೀಡಿಗೆ ಏರ್, ವಾಟರ್, ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೇನಾಕೈತಿ, ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆಪಲ್ ಅದ ಅಥವಾ ಎದ್ರದ್ದು ಬೀಜ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್. ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಏರ್ ಸಿಕ್ತ, ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕ್ಲೋರೋಫಿಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾವ, ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಇಂತ್ರನೇ ಬೆಳಿತಾವ. ಎಸ್, seeds in the reproduction will be from the seeds only. The plant reproduction will be from the seeds only. In the living and non-living things na helite. Plants also reproduce with the help of what? Seeds. With the help of what? Seeds. Okay? Yes, you all know that. In the previous class we studied, in the previous chapter we studied, the plants reproduce using the seeds. Okay? Some have a more seeds, some have a less. Okay, depending on the fruit, which type of a fruit it is, depending on the fruits. And the flowers also grow, but it have a some other procedure that also grow. But the seeds are the main thing for the reproduction. Okay. Now in this chapter we studied about what? We studied about roots. We studied about the plants, how they work, and what is the function of the roots, what is the function of a stem, what is the function of the leaf, how they work, how they prepare food, and how the reproduction will be. Yes, fruits, about fruits we studied, about flowers we studied, about seeds we studied. We have a different types. We have studied that all things, children. Yes, just you have to do today's homework for you. Difficult words I am writing on the board. You have to write it 5 times. Hard words. First one. Trunk. Second one. Substance. Third one. Taproot. Fourth one. Fibrous. Fifth one. Branches. Sixth one. Underground. Seventh one. Stomata. Eighth one. Lamina. Ninth one. Veins. 10th one. Last thing, that is chlorophyll. This chlorophyll we get from where? We get this chlorophyll from the sunlight. Okay, don't forget that. This chlorophyll we get from the sunlight. It is a one type of a ray that help plant to grow. Okay, these all things you have to write it 5 times. In which book? In homework book. Okay, in homework book. Complete this and send me the photos. We'll revise it and we'll do the exercise part in the next class, children. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.